Strap in. This machine is about to blow your mind. Well, hey everybody, it's Eric with Muscle Cars with Eric coming at you with another episode of What's in Your Garage. Today, I love this place, Bad Gas Garage. Is this the coolest spot in the world?
Yes, it is.
This is my new best friend in Hawaii. His name is Roger. And behind us here, we have this beautiful, what kind of a car is this?
A 57 Chevy Handyman Wagons.
Wow. Now, I've never done a 57 Chevy Handyman Wagon before, but we are in Bad Gas Garage in Kingman, Arizona, and I've got Roger here. So, Roger, you know, first of all, thank you. It's a pleasure meeting you, and it's an honor to shoot this video. And I'm very excited because, like I said, I've never done one before. So this is a 57 Handyman Wagon. So why is it called Handyman? Is it just the name of the car, like Impala and whatnot, or is it specific to like working man station wagon, or what's the deal with that?
Yes, it's working man station wagon.
Okay, very cool.
Go to work, go home, put the seats up, take your kids out.
Well, that's pretty cool. Right on. Now, how long have you had it?
13 years.
No kidding. Now, what prompted you to buy this as opposed to a 210 or a Bel Air or something like that? Was this available, or you just wanted to have one of these?
Available.
Available? Yeah. Very cool. So now we're going to walk around this thing here, and I want you to tell me all about the car. First of all, this isn't finished paint, right? Or is it?
No.
Okay. So it's a primer, right?
Yes, so it's a primer. It was on it when I got the car, though I haven't.
Oh, very cool, very nice. So you're keeping it kind of like that worky look, right?
Yeah, well, it's still in work. Hey,
okay, right on. I like that. So tell us about this car here. I mean, wow. So original wheels and tires, or?
No, those were not the boat trailer.
No kidding.
But they're period correct for the old hot rod look.
Well, that's pretty cool. Right on. Kind of like that. And I like this. So this is the way they had the mirrors back in the day.
No, it's what I had.
Okay, very cool.
It's put together with kind of parts that when I originally got it, whatever I came across.
Very nice. Awesome. Let's take a look at this here. This is really, really cool. Like I said, I've never seen one before. And this is, you said 57, so this is kind of like how they did the Bel Air back in the day, you know, just a little bit of light chrome.
Well, the different models had the different
configurations.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
This is a working man's model, so it didn't have all the fancy.
Right. Of course not. Yeah. Look at that. This is really cool. And is this where the exhaust comes out of right here?
No.
No. Okay. Where's the exhaust?
It's underneath. It's just
standard straight exhaust?
No. Yeah, just added on.
Okay, very cool. Neat. Now does this open up like kind of like very cool. Well, that's pretty cool. So you slide your work stuff in here or sit in a tailgate at lunchtime or whatever you want to do with it. Very nice. Is this all original equipment here?
No. Well, parts of it.
Original style?
I replaced stuff on it that I picked up along the way.
Okay.
I put a new spare tire tub in it.
Oh, it goes in. Oh, very nice. Okay. Yeah, it definitely is brand new. This is so cool. Go ahead, shut her out. Let's watch this thing close here. Original badging and labels?
Yes.
Okay. This is just really neat. Did the exhaust used to come out of those?
No.
No?
I'm not sure exactly. I've seen different things in them. I've seen people put from backup lights. They had just plain old blank off plates.
Okay, all sorts of different stuff then.
Yeah,
so it's all personal preference, isn't it?
Yeah.
Kind of like that. Is this original glass or was it replaced? Original glass?
Yes.
Very cool. Now, do these windows slide, or is it just extra window?
They're all fixed.
Oh, fixed. Okay. All right.
I don't think the Bel Air is, or the Nomad, I think, slid back.
Oh yeah, okay, I remember seeing that. Yeah, of course.
Like I say, it was a expensive model.
Now this isn't original interior. Is it original style interior?
No.
No. Okay. The original style interior was a cloth interior, like a tweed type cloth or something like that, or was it vinyl? Do you remember?
Like a vinyl, I guess.
Okay. Very cool. This is just really neat, man. Can I sit in it?
Sure.
Wow. Ain't nothing fancy schmancy about it, is there? Very cool, man. Of course, those are aftermarket gauges and whatnot. Aftermarket radio.
Yeah,
I don't think they had cassette radio back in the day, did they? They're just straight AM, right?
yeah, back in the day it was straight A.
This is just really neat, man.
And it might not have had one being it was a handyman wagon.
Well, that's true, too. You got a valid point.
What? No, it did actually, because there's an antenna and a hole. So it did have one.
Ah, okay.
It was a tube radio, old tube radio.
Oh, okay, wow, yeah. Old school Fisher body dorsal right there. All right, go ahead and shut that up for us. You know, one of the things I like about cars of this era was the rocket look. That front there, that is just so cool. These original?
No.
No?
Well, parts of it.
Okay. But it's original
just
style,
the
all right?
center part of the rocket. It's
Okay.
called, these are called rockets. And that's
Oh,
what
rockets, okay. Let's get a look at this here. That is so cool. Nothing fancy schmancy, just straight up coming at you, kind of cool, right?
Yeah.
I bet you love driving this vehicle, don't you?
Oh, yes, yes.
Wow. How about that? All right, let's come on over here. So, one of the cool things about this episode is called "It's What's in Your Garage," and in order for us normally to get the vehicle out of the garage, we have to start the vehicle and hear it run. Will you give our listeners and our viewers a chance to hear your car run and hit the accelerator a few times for us?
Sure.
That sounds good, sure. I love when everything comes together. All right, only here on Musk Cars with Derek. Stick around for more. All right, so I oftentimes refer to the engine as a diamond in the setting. And this is a really cool setting. I was wondering, before we start it, if we could take a look at the engine.
Yes.
Perfect. Let's get that sucker open. Well then. So, this isn't your typical handyman engine, is it?
No.
Tell us all about this engine, man. This is really bad of the bone.
It's a 1967 327 out of a Corvette.
No kidding.
300 horse 327.
300 horse. 327. I'll bet this sucker scoots, doesn't it?
It's pretty good. Pretty good.
That's pretty cool. Look at this. Anything special about it aside from the fact that it's a 327?
No, really, it's not. It's just runs good.
I bet it does. This is really neat. I like the little slight chrome accents. Not too much. Chrome on the alternator there, and a bracket. And then this is your right here. That's your thermostat housing, right?
Correct.
Okay. Okay. All right. 3/4 radiator.
Yes.
Okay, that makes sense to have it up here in Arizona. All right. So now, I think we get started, right? You gonna start it for us? Sure. Perfect. All right, let it rip, Tater Chip. Back in the day, the Handyman wasn't just a cool name. It was Chevy's answer to the no-frills family wagon. Built for utility, but with style that still turned heads. 2 doors, plenty of cargo space, and a dash of American grit. It was a go-to for tradesmen, small families, and anyone who needed to haul more than groceries.